Hey y'all, welcome back to part 2 of this color removal video. So, as you know, in the first video, I removed the color and then applied this nice color. It is so cute, y'all. And the hair did return back to the softened state after I rinsed this color out. I deep conditioned it for probably about 4 to 5 hours. So it was very nice once I did get it dried. So I'm going to start in sections, in small sections, and I'm just going to do wand curls. Now, when I first started this, my goal was to do like a really curly, wavy, big afro-like look. But I still wanted it like, I don't know, I can't explain it. I just want like a big curly afro look. So I just decided to make the curls really small, and then however it turned out, I was just going to play with it, to make it work. And the curly one that I'm using is the Remington curling one. And it gets really hot. I've been having this for like years on top of years. It's time to get a new one, actually. Okay, and once I get to this closure piece, I'm just going to continue to take small pieces like before and curl them with the curling wand. Okay, y'all, so this how it turned out. As you can see, this is really cute. Now, some people can choose to wear it like this, and that's perfectly fine. The curls will just fall to like a really nice wave. But I want to experiment and see what I can create out of this. So I'm just going to first start by pulling the curls apart. And that's just going to make it fuller, make it bigger. As you can see, the curls on the bottom have already dropped. And what I ended up doing was actually combing the curls all the way out. And this is how it turned out. I really like the big poofy look with this hair. I like the poofy curls. But yeah, anywho, this is how it turned out. I hope you guys like this video and like this color. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe now. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.